So I got my battery terminals today. It's from machineworkz. These are machineworkz. I don't know about the finish on them, but they were 29 bucks. I got 2 sets. This is how they came packaged. I'm gonna have to drill out, because this is the one that goes into the Kinetic HC 2400. Doesn't fit, so, but they're cool. 29 bucks, 7 spots, beefy. Look good. I got 2 sets. I got 2 batteries. Almost there, getting ready. But just want to do a little review on machineworkz 7-spot terminals from machineworkz. They were 29 bucks a pair. I think I paid 10 bucks shipping for both. They got here super quick. I also got his dual inputs, but these were like $17.99 and they're offset, which is good. This is 2-watt welding cable. Just want to see what it looks like. I got 100 feet of sky high OFC coming, but machineworkz. If you're on a budget, it's where it's at. I'm impressed with these. 29 bucks? Fuck, dude. It's the size of my palm, my hand. But yeah, anyway, machineworkz. Almost there.